Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Blackpool Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site next door to our partners at Blackpool Seat. It's a beautiful day, coming towards the end of another good day. As you can see, plenty of cars on the forecourt for you to come and have a look at. And you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a look at our vehicle videos online. You can also go direct to our website at coxmotorgroup.com and have a look at our vehicles there. And in the meantime, we've got this absolutely stunning 2017 Mercedes-Benz. Now, we all know Mercedes love their car titles, so here we go. It's a Mercedes GLC class 350D V6 AMG Premium Plus G-Tronic 4MATIC. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it is a stunning car though. It's a 3-litre diesel automatic in black, as you can see, with chrome detailing around the windows, tinted windows at the back, and skid treads on the side. You've also got a sunroof, and on this particular version you have a power tailgate. You got a good sized boot, drawback parcel shelf which also comes out. You've got storage underneath your flooring, 60/40 split on the back seats as per. And it also comes with, obviously, the AMG Body-Styling, attention assist, active bonnet, PARKTRONIC parking assist, collision prevention assist plus, DAB, radio, driver select modes, as you've seen, the power tailgate, reversing camera, heated front seats, sports suspension, and you've also got the 19-inch black alloys, which finishes the car off really nicely. And having a look inside, full leather interior all the way through, with grey stitching on the edges. There's your sunroof. Pretty standard layout for the Mercedes interior on the central island. Enables you to work your screen. You got your aircon, climate control, menu function. So there's your information screen ahead, and then using your scroller wheel go through all the selections. Center screen digital on the cockpit, and then your speedos are as standard. Indicators and beam settings and your windscreen wipers on your left hand wand, plus your shift paddle just behind the wheel. Your center console functions, plus your Bluetooth or voice control, sorry. Underneath, cruise control and speed limiter, as well as your function handle for your steering wheel to adjust. Automatic gear shift on the right hand wand. Shift paddle just behind the wheel again. And then on the right of your wheel is your Bluetooth hands-free volume controls for your audio. Further down your right, you've got your start button engine, auto function for your headlights, and your electric parking brake. Illuminated Mercedes-Benz door sills. And then in your door, you've got your heating function for your seats, memory function for your seating adjust, central locking, wing mirrors and windows, and then your power tailgate switch is just underneath. As you can see, it is a lovely car. It's excellent to drive, very comfortable. If you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. We'll give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive.